Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, I will start my new topic, how to improve our spoken English. So in this tip, in this how we can improve our spoken English. So that's 5 tips. First tip is read conversation loudly. Read one conversation 5 times loudly. Read one or two conversation every day. This will help your mind speak English easily. And second tip is practice speaking. Second tip is practice speaking in a real situation. Every day make a few phone calls in English. Read ads in the newspaper. Call somewhere just to get information. At first, write your sentences on paper and try to remember them. This will help you get this will help you stop feeling shy. And the third tip is practice speaking with your friends and family. If you cannot speak a lot, just to say few sentences in English. This will make you more confident. And fourth tip is write a short paragraph on any topic. Uh, Practice the same paragraph at least 10 times. Read it loudly in front of mirror, or you can record a video. This will help your tongue get turning to English. And five tips is write write a 10 question every day about any conversation. If you can make question easily, you can talk to other with confidence. Thank you.